Imagine waking up tomorrow and realizing your job description has changed overnight. Not because you quit, not because your boss made adjustments, but because artificial intelligence has redefined the way the entire industry works. That's not science fiction anymore. It's happening right now. Welcome back to Opportunity Economy, where ideas turn into income. The channel helps beginners, entrepreneurs, retirees, and professionals pivot into a smarter future, building businesses and careers powered by digital systems and AI. If you're tired of hustling harder and ready to start working smarter, you're in the right place. Today, I'm breaking down 3 AI trends that will change the way you work forever. These aren't small shifts. These are tectonic changes that will redefine how businesses are built, how skills are valued, and how income is created. So grab a notebook, because what I'm about to share will prepare you for the next 3 years of digital transformation. And at the end, I'll give you a free, quick action guide so you can start adapting these AI trends today. Let's dive straight into trend number 1. Trend number 1, AI-powered personal assistants will become standard. You probably already know Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, but here's the truth. Those were just the training wheels. What's coming next are hyper-personalized AI assistants. Think ChatGPT, Claude, or your own AI employee, built to manage your unique tasks, workflows, and even your client interactions. Here's the analogy. Right now, AI assistants are like a new intern. You have to give them specific instructions, and sometimes they mess up. But over the next 12 to 24 months, AI assistants are becoming like your best project manager, someone who knows your schedule, your priorities, your writing style, and your goals. What this means for you. Entrepreneurs will start assigning routine admin tasks, emails, scheduling follow-ups entirely to AI. Small businesses will use AI to manage customer service and marketing campaigns at a fraction of the cost. Professionals will discover they can multiply productivity by outsourcing half of their to-do list to AI. Beginner-friendly example. Think of AI like hiring a personal secretary for free. Instead of spending 2 hours writing emails, your AI assistant drafts them in minutes. Instead of juggling your calendar, your AI auto-schedules meetings, avoids conflicts, and reminds you before deadlines. AI tools leading this shift. ChatGPT, Claude, for content creation, client communication, and brainstorming. Motion, an AI calendar that prioritizes your tasks for you. Otter.ai Fireflies, tools that attend meetings, take notes, and summarize action steps. Why this matters? Because once AI assistants are embedded into daily work, efficiency becomes the new currency. Those who adapt early will produce 3 to 5x the output of those who don't. If you're excited about these trends, make sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you don't miss our weekly deep dives, and let me know in the comments, would you trust an AI to handle your emails? Trend number 2, AI will redefine skills and careers. Right now, when most people think about AI and jobs, they immediately imagine replacement. AI is going to take my job. Robots will do everything. Why should I even bother learning new skills? But here's the truth. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing tasks. And the people who know how to leverage AI will replace the people who don't. Think about this. 20 years ago, if you didn't know how to use email, you were at a disadvantage. 10 years ago, if you didn't understand social media, you missed opportunities. Now in 2025, if you don't know how to use AI tools, you're behind. Listen to this example. Meet Sarah. She's a 52-year-old former HR manager who took early retirement. She wanted to pivot but didn't want to go back to school. Instead, she learned how to use AI tools for resume writing, interview prep, and career coaching. Today, she's running a digital side business helping job seekers land roles, using AI to do 80% of the heavy lifting. Did AI take her job? No. It created a brand new one for her. What this means for you. Here's the big shift. Skills are no longer about memorization, they're about orchestration. You don't need to know everything. You need to know, 1, which AI tool does what. 2, how to combine them into workflows. 3, how to translate your expertise into digital systems. This video opens the door for beginners, launching side hustles faster. Small business owners, reducing overhead by replacing contractors with AI workflows. Professionals pivoting, using AI to demonstrate higher value in new industries without going back for another degree. Let's review this beginner-friendly analogy. Think of AI as the power tools in a workshop. If you try to build a house with just a hammer and nails, it will take you months. But if you have power drills, saws, and nail guns, the same house could be built in weeks. The people who know how to use the tools will always build faster, smarter, and with less stress. That's what AI is doing for skills right now. Action steps you can take today. 1. Audit your skills. Write down what you already know how to do. 2. Pair them with AI. Ask, what AI tool can make this skill faster or better? Example, writer Jasper ChatGPT. Designer, Canva plus AI text to image. Marketer, copy.ai, plaidcreative.ai. 3. Create a mini digital asset. Package one skill into a template, checklist, or guide that you can sell. This is where the opportunity economy comes alive. You don't hustle harder. You multiply what you already know with AI. Future outlook about AI. Here's the big prediction. In 5 years, resumes won't be judged by years of experience. They'll be judged by AI fluency. Employers, clients, and customers will want to know, can you leverage AI to save time? Can you use AI to scale impact? Can you produce better results with less effort? If the answer is yes, you'll always stay relevant. If this video is giving you clarity, hit the like button and let YouTube know this kind of content matters. And if you're ready to pivot into the future of work, drop the word AI in the comments. I'll know you're serious about adapting smarter. Trend number 3. AI will unlock entirely new business models, the most exciting part. Here's something most people haven't realized yet. AI isn't just making us faster at what we already do. It's unlocking business models that were impossible just a few years ago. Think about how the internet created businesses like Amazon, YouTube, and Airbnb, things that literally couldn't exist before online connectivity. We are in that same moment again, this time powered by AI. Let us take a look at example 1, one-person empire. In the past, starting a business required teams. If you wanted to build a marketing agency, you needed a copywriter, a designer, a video editor, a social media manager. Today, one person with AI tools can do the work of an entire agency. Imagine this. ChatGPT drafts copy, Canva AI designs graphics, Descript edits videos automatically, Notion AI organizes clients and workflows. Now, instead of paying 5 salaries, a single entrepreneur can serve multiple clients and scale income without scaling overhead. This isn't theory. There are already thousands of one-person businesses hitting 6 and 7 figures because AI acts as their team. Example 2, micro products that scale. AI allows you to create small, valuable products in hours, not months. For example, a fitness coach uses AI to generate a 30-day meal plan. A teacher uses AI to package lessons into study guides. A consultant uses AI to turn frameworks into downloadable templates. These micro products, priced between $5 and $50, can sell hundreds or thousands of times online. This is the birth of what I call the AI-enhanced creator economy. You're no longer limited by your time. Instead, AI helps you multiply one idea into many assets. Example 3, subscription models, powered by AI. Another massive opportunity, subscription businesses. Traditionally, building a membership site required constant content creation, a huge burden. Most people burned out. But with AI, monthly newsletters can be generated in minutes. Community prompts and discussion guides can be automated. Personalized coaching can be scaled through AI chatbots. This means you can now create a $10-a-month subscription that delivers ongoing value with minimal effort. Get just 500 people in your community, and that's $5,000 per month in recurring revenue. Let's listen to another story, the retiree who built an AI business. Let's meet James. He retired from accounting but didn't want to sit idle. He used AI to create a financial literacy course for small business owners. Here's what happened. 1. He used ChatGPT to script lessons. 2. He used Synthesia AI to generate video lessons without being on camera. 3. He uploaded the course to Udemy and Teachable. 4. Then he used AI marketing tools to promote it online. Within 90 days, James had a course bringing in $2,000 a month on autopilot. That's not a side hustle anymore. That's a real retirement income stream powered by AI. Beginner-friendly analogy. Think of AI like electricity. Before electricity, businesses were limited. You couldn't run a factory at night. You couldn't refrigerate food. Entire industries didn't exist. When electricity became widely available, it didn't just make existing businesses faster. It created entirely new industries: refrigeration, film, nightlife, electronics. AI is doing the same thing now. It won't just make your current work faster, it will create industries we haven't even imagined yet. Step-by-step action plan for viewers. Here's how to position yourself to take advantage of these new models. 1. Choose your knowledge niche. What do you know well enough to explain to a beginner? Oh, parenting tips. Oh, small business management. Oh, fitness. Oh, freelance skills. 2. Package it into a digital asset. Use AI to turn your knowledge into ebooks, checklists, courses, templates. 3. Pick a monetization model. One-time road Etsy. Subscriptions, e.g. Patreon, Circle. Licensing, AI-created templates sold to agencies or companies. 4. Automate distribution. Use AI-powered email sequences, social content repurposing, and ads to drive traffic while you sleep. Future outlook. Here's my bold prediction. Within 5 years, we'll see the rise of one-person AI-powered companies valued at millions. And here's the exciting part. They won't be Silicon Valley startups. They'll be everyday people, beginners, retirees, and small business owners who simply embraced AI early. The window is open right now, but like all opportunities, it won't be open forever. If you've made it this far, don't forget to download the Practical Steps, the Future of AI Playbook 2025, to get ahead of the curve and turn these trends into opportunities. Most people are still skeptical, still waiting, still watching from the sidelines, but you're here. You're learning. You're preparing. Before we wrap up, let me say this. Don't just watch the AI revolution. Participate in it. There you have it. 3 powerful AI trends that aren't just changing the future of work. They're rewriting the rules for how we build income, freedom, and opportunity. And here's the key takeaway. The people who win in this new economy aren't the ones who hustle harder. They're the ones who build smarter. That's exactly what we do here at Opportunity Economy. This channel is built for beginners, small business owners, entrepreneurs, retirees, and professionals who are ready to turn ideas into income without burnout, without a degree, and without waiting for someone else's permission. Now here's what to do next. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our next video. Because if today gave you clarity, the next one will give you the exact strategies to turn that clarity into income. Drop a comment below. Which AI trend excites you the most, and how do you see yourself using it? And if you know someone who's curious about AI but feels stuck, share this video with them. You could be the spark that unlocks their transformation. And don't stop here. If this video inspired you, then the next one will show you how to put it into practice. Don't forget to download your free Practical Steps, the Future of AI Playbook 2025, to get ahead of the curve and turn these trends into opportunities. Up next, 10 AI-powered marketing hacks to save time and boost sales. It's packed with practical strategies you can use immediately. This is the start of your smarter, simpler, more scalable future. Because here at Opportunity Economy, we don't believe in hustling harder. We believe in building smarter. I'll see you in the next video. 10 AI-powered marketing hacks to save time and boost sales.